Hi, ma'am.
Acha, so can you introduce yourself to our viewers?
Hi, my name is Sahil Bhayani. I'll be joining Clemson University in USA for the course of MS Packaging Science for the year 2021 fall semester.
Okay. First of all, congratulations for your visas.
Thank you.
So can you tell our viewers how was your interview taken and what was your experience right in the consulate?
So my interview basically was like since I was joined with Transglobe, I was very well prepped for it. I was already expecting most of the questions which were going to be asked, so it was not that surprising. But yeah, I knew all the answers to it, so it was quite smooth.
Okay. And what was the duration time of your interview? Like in how many minutes you have cracked it?
Well, I had to wait for like 30 minutes to get my chance there, but the interview took like 10 minutes max.
Oh, okay. That's great. So coming towards the Clemson University, can you tell our viewers, because USA is such a huge country and they have so many universities, what is Clemson University and how is it and which course are you going for?
First of all, I'll be talking about my course. So, MS Packaging Science. This course I've chosen is a very specialized one. Not a lot of universities provided me with this course, and especially MS in Packaging Science, which was like I had very fewer options for that too. Clemson was one of them, and as it turns out, it's one of the top universities for this course in the world.
Okay, Sahil. So tell me, how is Clemson University and how did you choose this university and about your course?
Okay, so about the course, MS Packaging Science. This is a very specialized course which I'm doing in the packaging field. As it turns out, very few universities provide students with this course, especially the masters. For US, I had like 3 to 4 options, from which I had to choose. And as it turns out, Clemson is one of the best universities in the world for this course. And the university is in the picture since like 19th century, so like a long time. And the students like to call themselves like Clemson Tigers. Yes, and I chose this university because I had a very like quick connect with the faculty right from the time of applications, which of course was helped by Transglobe and initiated by Transglobe. But after a stage where I was quite comfortable with them, I felt that connect only with Clemson, so I chose for it. I chose to go for it. Yeah.
What was the role of Transglobe in giving you the university options, and were you satisfied with your options? And how was your overall experience when it came to you started enrollment with Transglobe? Because since we know you were from Bombay and you haven't even met us, your parents did, right? So can you quickly tell what was your journey like?
Yeah, so there was some seminar conducted by Transglobe which my parents attended, and I just had a talk with my parents that after undergrad I want to do pursue this course which is related to my family business, but I didn't have much idea about where to go and how to go about it. So after they attended the seminar, my mother was quite interested that we should join, at least start with talking that we are interested in this one. So I had a few telephonic talk with the team, Transglobe team, and I communicated my intentions and the course which I wanted to do. And right from choosing the university, so like I was given the option for USA, Australia, New Zealand and UK. So I chose like so many countries as the options because the course which I wanted to do was provided in very few universities, very limited universities. So like there were like one to two universities in each country. So I was helped with that, and since I was in the business background, I also had to complete few prerequisites which every university asks for, and like Transglobe started with like communicating with every university what are the requirements, what I have completed, what I have achieved or like worked in, and then communicating it with them, and after which the remaining prerequisites which I was supposed to do.
Okay.
Yeah.
So tell me that were you connected directly to the university, by Transglobe, or was it any other sources that they were helping you with? It was directly university.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, were you directly connected with the university, or was it through other sources? How did the Transglobe help you with that?
Yeah, I was directly connected with the university, and Transglobe had a very huge role in that. As much as I know, they have connections with universities in USA in different regions, so that your communication process is quite smooth, and that was my experience, that I was like talking directly to the university in a way.
Okay, perfect. So, as you discussed about your journey, coming towards your admission process, how was your application process done by Transglobe team? What was it like, and how was the visa experience? Can you just tell us?
So, starting from the application process, so like you're supposed to write a lot of things and provide your documents and everything. So like I was given a list of documents to be submitted beforehand, and I was like given a proper deadline for it, so that I don't miss out the final deadline of application. So that was pretty clear for me that I have to do these tasks in this particular time, and so that my application process is smooth. Yeah.
And since you just, it was very less time for you to prepare for your IELTS, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah.
How was your experience with our coaching team? Can you tell?
So, as it turns out, Transglobe is like providing self-published IELTS books to practice in various all the 4 modules, and like. Even though my experience was quite brief with Transglobe related to IELTS, I had no complaints. Like I was provided with every help which I needed, and I scored 7.5 bands, which is more than enough for my admission.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yeah.
So coming towards visa,
Yeah.
tell us how your visa process were, because since with the very less limited dates and everything, once your date was cancelled by the consulate.
Yeah.
And how was your visa interview preparation done?
Yeah, that was a moment of panic for me initially. Like my visa interview dates were cancelled twice actually, and once, and I had to change locations from like Mumbai and Delhi and all. But since I had the guidance and guidance from Transglobe that this happens, like that process also went pretty smooth with me. And eventually I also had to book like emergency appointments, which also helped me to give, like I got enough time before I had to leave India.
That's amazing.
Yes.
Last but not the least, if you had to rate Transglobe out of 10, what would be your points?
Can I rate 11?
That's great. Okay, and how highly do you recommend others about
Yeah,
Transglobe?
I highly recommend people to join Transglobe if they're interested in joining university abroad.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, and wish you have a great journey ahead.
Thank you.